How to download and install Disney Solitaire. Firstly, open Google Play Store or App Store on your device. At the top, click on the search icon or search bar. Now type in Disney Solitaire. At the very top, you will see the official application. Click on this application and click on Install option to install this application to your device. After installing, you will find the application on your app drawer or game center. From there, you can start playing this game. But if it's not available on your App Store or Play Store, then you can even install this using your web browser. Open any of your preferred web browser, for example Chrome. Now go to the search bar on the top and type in Disney Solitaire. When you do that, then click on the search option to go to the result page. On the result page at the very top, you will find the Google Play link. If you click on the install app, then it will get directly installed to your device. Or you can install it this way. If you scroll down on the result page, then you will again see the Google Play link. If you are trying to download this on your App Store, then you can simply go to the search bar and add App Store on your search. After you have added App Store, then again search for it. Now you will see the App Store link. Click on the App Store link on the second. Now you will land to the App Store interface. Just like that, you can download this on your iPhone too. That's all for today. Thank you.